Yo, we're live in Ukraine, nigga. You know what I mean? We're in US, nigga. So we heard about O'nelly, like, Kuwayawaya, nigga. That this nigga is too cool. I mean, even the wire cool. Is it a circuit wire or some bathroom wire, nigga? I don't know what it is, nigga. So we heard about your EP launch, like the main Amber launch, nigga. We are coming at Shanaya, nigga, with MoMo DiVas, like, we are coming there for good, nigga. You know what I mean? So it's gonna be bomb, nigga, like some bomb you are hearing in the background, nigga. We're in Ukraine, nigga. Yo, know what I mean, nigga? So they're gonna be some fire, like Tish on, nigga. Yeah, Tish on, like Nick Mwansu, like, I don't know what I mean, nigga. I don't know, like Khatel, like meow, like location, nigga, like Troikan, like La Vida Loca, like something like that, mean, like King Hero, yeah, King Hero near Bay, that, like something like that, I mean, like Sweet Kids, nigga, like small kids. I don't know what they're doing in the club though. Yo, know what I mean? Yeah. So it's gonna be loud like mean ambulance, nigga. It's gonna be loud like Misfits, like John K. Lenga, like K. Yombo. I don't know what that niggas are doing there, but I expect them to be some fire flexible bones, nigga. You know what I mean? Yeah. So in Ukraine, we get no HDA, so we're coming to eat that pig. We hear there's gonna be some Porki Ribusi, nigga. So we're coming, nigga. See ya on the 11th and 12th of March. Like in Africa, like on 12th March, it's gonna be some youth day. I don't know what that is. Nigga, we never heard something like that, nigga. The only things we're hearing about here bombs. You can hear bombs, yeah. We're in Ukraine, so we're coming, nigga. See ya.